Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In this video, I will show you the first Apple-approved emulator for the iPhone and iPad. New emulator called Boy Emulator, which appears to be the first Game Boy Advance emulator on the App Store since Apple started allowing emulators worldwide. This emulator is your all-in-one emulator for reliving the golden era of gaming. With support for GBA, GBC, GB, NUS, and SMS, Boy opens the doors to a treasure trove of classic titles right on your device. To install it, you just need to go to App Store on your iOS device and then type Boy Emulator and then simply install it. Once the installation completed, now you can set it up according to your choice. Just give name and set the mode, dark, or whatever you want to use, and then hit Finish Setup. Now you can run any game you want to play via Boy Emulator. Simply download the game and unzip the game ROM, and then open the Boy Emulator, and then hit on Upload the game, then choose the downloaded game ROM, and then hit Play Game. Once you hit the Start Game, then your game will start in the Boy Emulator. As you can see, the game is working fine. The similar way, you can download the games of your choice and then play it via Boy Emulator without any error. Dive into a nostalgic journey through pixelated landscapes and unforgettable adventures, all at your fingertips. Whether you're a fan of classic RPGs, platformers, or action-packed. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.